Hello, please get on the bus.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go!
Tap to equip the magical item. Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Welcome! Choose a shopping next. Let's go buy what we need together. School bag. Crayon. Notebook. Water bottle. Towel. Put the items here. Put the money into the coin slot. Thank you for helping me get everything I need. I've bought everything I need. Let's get on the bus. Hello, baby bus. Hello, please get on the bus. Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the photo studio. Let's go! Stop at a red light, go at a green light.
Let's go take a photo.
Welcome!
Could you take my photo?
Okay, what kind of photos do you want? Photo for kindergarten? All right, let's go change clothes first.
Tap the screen to focus and make the pic. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
What a nice picture.
Thanks. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
That's a nice shot.
Thanks. I've taken the photo. Let's go. Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus. Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the hospital. Let's go! I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
Let's go get a physical checkup.